Welcome to Batch Cooking for Beginners.
Batch cooking is a powerful way to simplify your week, save time, and eat healthier. By preparing meals in advance, you can make nutritious eating easy, even on busy days. This guide covers the basics of batch cooking, offering simple tips to help you get started and make the most of your weekly meal prep.
Step 1. Plan your weekly menu.
Start by deciding which meals you want to eat throughout the week. Choose recipes with similar ingredients to cut down on shopping and prep time. Include a mix of proteins, grains, and plenty of vegetables. Planning ahead ensures variety, keeps you motivated, and reduces the temptation to grab fast food when life gets hectic.
Step 2. Grocery shopping made simple.
Make a detailed grocery list based on your planned meals. Organize your list by categories like produce, proteins, and pantry staples. This approach saves time at the store and helps you avoid buying unnecessary items. When shopping, aim for fresh, whole foods that offer the most nutrition and keep well throughout the week.
Step 3. Efficient meal prep techniques.
Set aside a few hours on a day that works for you to cook in batches. Prep items like grains, bake proteins, and chop vegetables simultaneously. Cook double portions to freeze for future meals if possible. Using sheet pans, slow cookers, or instant pots can save extra time and make cleanup easier.
Step 4. Safe storage and organization.
Store your meals in airtight containers to keep food fresh and safe. Label containers with dates and meal names for easy access. Separate meals into grab-and-go portions if possible. Remember to refrigerate foods promptly and freeze anything you won't eat within 3 to 4 days to prevent waste and keep your meals tasting great.
Batch cooking benefits for wellness.
Batch cooking can lower stress, help you stick to nutritional goals, and ensure balanced meals are always ready. Eating homemade food more often supports healthy eating habits, better portion control, and improved sleep due to steady energy levels. By mastering batch cooking, you're taking an important step toward long-term wellness and a more organized lifestyle.